Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to FitStem. Today is your lucky day because I am going to give you an exclusive tour in the new FitStem gym. Alright, let's talk about the first piece of equipment today. One of the most important things that you can possibly put into your gym, home gym, is a squat rack. This is called the Warrior Elite Squat Rack. It has a variety of positions that you can utilize in terms of squatting, bench presses. You got the incline, decline, and flat. You can also bring it down all the way to a flat. These ones right here have the adjustable safeguards right here, so you always have a spot. And also, it comes with your standard pull-up bars for the outer grip and also the inside grip for your biceps. And also, this particular squat rack comes with a dip machine. So you would actually have to attach this. This is all iron. We've used this 12 weeks now, and it's proven to us that it's durable. I've been able to handle my weight, which I'm about 180 pounds. So it's a very good squat rack, very durable so far. So next, let's talk about a Olympic weight bar. And because in FitStem we have our wife working out with us, our children working out with us, we wanted to get something that was going to accommodate them also. Because oftentimes when we think about purchasing equipment for our home gym, we're thinking about ourselves. So we want to include the entire family because fitness is a family effort. When you train together, you stay together and you have fun together. All right. So the first thing we had to do was look for a bar that was going to be conducive to the Olympic weight bar. So this one is going to be 45 pounds, which pretty much is stainless steel also. And we chose to get the chrome one, and you just place it on like that. So that is particularly for the adult males, some adult females that are ready for this type of weight. But if they're not ready, don't be afraid of getting that weight. So this one is a smaller bar. If you take a look at it, this one weighs about 28 pounds. And I'll just go ahead and put this, place it down here just to show you the comparison between bars. So like my brother, his wife is smaller in stature. So obviously we're not gonna start her off on a 45-pound bar doing squats or bench press or anything like that, because what's gonna happen? You're gonna cause an injury that you could have prevented. So we went ahead and started on her off with the 28-pound bar. So the next thing, once you've got the bar, you got your elite squat rack, you're ready to rock and roll. Now you gotta start buying some weights. So for this particular home gym, like I said, we have to think about our family members, and the number one thing to always consider is safety. For us, we went ahead and bought, they're called rubber grip Olympic bumper plates. We chose this specifically because it's rubber, and as many of y'all know, sometimes we don't want to, but we sometimes drop this weight on the floor like that. And if we don't have the rubber flooring like this or a rubber covering like this on the actual weight, what's it gonna do? It's gonna cause damage to the floor and or weight. Okay, so to prevent all of that, we chose this rubber standard size weight. Alright, so let's get talking about the dumbbells. For me personally, I've always dreamed about having a nice dumbbell set. What we did was we researched a whole bunch of things on the internet as to the safety of the dumbbells, how durable it was going to be, what type of dumbbells to get. So in conclusion, we came up with these. These are awesome. Come in closer. These are called solid urethane dumbbells. Okay, they're the 5 pounds to the 50 pounds. And like we were talking about the other free weights, after a set, sometimes when we're exhausted, we sometimes drop it on the floor. Next thing we want to talk about is the actual bench. So the bench that we chose is the Hoist 7 position FID bench. F stands for flat bench, which I'll show you right here. Go down to the 0 and we'll do a flat. Lay down there, put on your squat rack if you want to. If you like to do dumbbell bench presses, you can do that also. Incline, it goes all the way up to the high incline position and as low as the low incline position. Really focus on and concentrate on that particular chest pectoral muscle that you desire for growth. Also, which is very cool, this bench comes with a decline bench, which is the acronym for the D. And you can also use this on that squat rack that we just talked about, and with the dumbbells, which we've actually done, and very cool. So I'll get on here real quick just to show you. Come on here. This thing actually acts like a hook to secure yourself so that you don't fall down. You lay down like that, and you go ahead and complete the exercise. Just like that. Very cool. Also, instead of the bench presses, this thing also sits all the way up so you can actually do shoulder workouts. We've actually used this bench on an elite squat rack to do our military presses, and also we've used this to conduct our dumbbell military presses or the Arnold's. All right, so we got the heavy push day out of the way, the heavy leg day out of the way, which is squats. And now let's go ahead and talk about what we chose for our resistance training equipment. And for that, we chose the Hoist MI6 functional training system, which you see back here. Don't let this thing fool you. It looks kind of complicated, but I'll go ahead and break it down to you step by step. It comes with the exercise instructions there that you can do. So you would just come over here and just warm up like that. These are adjustable, so you would just have to pull it out, come down, set it, go all the way down, and which is very cool. Check this out, guys. It rotates all the way around. You see that? So that two people can actually conduct exercises on each side. You smooth this down. We can also do this pulleys for the chest. I love this machine because of these cables for the chest workouts. If you're looking for constant resistance on that muscle you're trying to affect, the cable machine is the right equipment to pick. This machine is also multi-purpose. As you can see here, you can change the weights from 10 all the way to 150. One person, like I said, can work on this side with whatever weight they want, and the other person can do the same. So you can also do several workouts with this, and it's not based on a specific body part. So what I just showed you was a chest workout. Now we bought this attached, and it's a cable, a rope cable, tricep extensions, okay, just like that. Or you switch it up and do shoulders, like that for your shoulders. It comes with this straight bar as well. This is actually pretty cool because oftentimes tricep extensions, people tend to go with the overhand position just like this. Well, this bar, because if it's straight, you can go ahead and go with the underhand position and come down with those underhand tricep extensions, which you're really hitting the inside of the tricep. Okay, a lot of times people are hitting the outside. That's why it's kind of lopsided. They don't have that horseshoe effect, okay? So also, is this bar, which is very, very cool. And I'll attach it on so you guys can see real quick. See, it clicks on, it's kind of snug. And these are pretty much pulleys. I'll get on one knee for lat pull downs. Okay. Also, like I said, you can put this down in your straight bar upright rows. Okay, same thing for your shoulders. Really good stuff. There's so many pulley positions on this Hoist MI6. Like I said, if you're looking for a resistance training type machine that's gonna constantly hit the muscle group without any rest, constantly hitting it with the resistance, this is something that you will probably want to consider in your home gym. I'm a real big fan of the legs. As you can see here, we've been putting in a lot of work, and here at FitStem, we treat legs a little bit different here. We have a special place in our heart for legs. We wanted to fill our home gym with the proper leg machines that's gonna get us new wheels. This type of leg machine is called the hoist leg extension and leg curl, okay? What is the leg extension? The quad area. That's gonna really, if you come in right here, it's gonna really start to shape your outer quad, right? You call it outer quad area. When you're looking at your legs, you got your outer quad, you got your teardrop right here, right? And you got your hip flexors, okay? For us, we come up, boom, full, and then we point our toes all the way up to the ceiling, hold there for 1 second, and come down. Boom, that's 1 rep, okay? Number 2, boom, squeeze, and come down. It should go something like this. The next exercise that we're gonna be talking about on this leg machine that it offers us is the leg curl, okay? Before, when we did the leg extensions, our foot and ankles were under these cushions. So now, what we wanna do, preferably, if you have a spotter, you should be working out with a spotter. You come around over here, and you bring it all the way up to the leg curl position and adjust it to your liking. But instead of coming under, guys, I'm gonna go over, okay, the leg cushions here. Okay, and then once again, I'm gonna lock it to where it's not too tight, where it's blocking the blood flow, okay? So you come down, squeeze again, put it back up nice and slow, making sure not to slam your weights, okay? So that's it, guys, that's it for this machine. Basically went over all the strength training equipment. Now we want to talk over a little bit about the cardio machines that we picked out. Come over here, we picked the state-of-the-art, the newest Stairmaster machine. When it comes to burning fat, this is the most efficient. When it comes to high calorie, high intensity workout where it's gonna get your heart rate up, your blood flowing, and that fat sizzling off your body, this is the way to go. The next thing that we chose was a treadmill, standard treadmill. Now, keep in mind that you can also substitute walking on the treadmill for walks in the park. Good time to take your family out, going out to walk in the neighborhood or at the park, 20, 30 minutes. I would really highly recommend that. But if you can't do that, and if you live around an area where it's high rains or cold weather, acclimate weather where you can't predict the weather all the time, then we do recommend treadmill. We love our cardio. If the weather's not doing too well out there, we come on our machines every single time we work out. That's it, you guys. Please join us again for the next video. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe, like, comment, hit that bell so you don't miss anything that comes out. All right, you guys? God bless you. Take care and have a great day.